So students, in this video we are going to discuss the functions of operating system. The main functions of an operating system is to manage the resources such as the memories and files of a computer system. The operating system also resolves the conflicts that arises when two users or programs request the same resources at the same time. Therefore, the operating system is also called the resource manager of a computer system. The currently used operating systems such as Windows 11, Windows Server 2022 and Linux also support networking that allows the sharing of files and resources such as the printers and scanners. The following are some of the important functions of operating systems. So students, I wanted to tell you that these questions maybe come in your examinations for the 7 to 8 marks, like functions of operating systems described in a detail. So here is the five functions of operating systems that are mainly namely as a process management, memory management, file management, and device management and security management. Process management, it manages the process running in the computer system. A process is a basically program that is being currently run by users on a computer system. For example, a word processor application program such as Microsoft Word runs as a process in a computer systems. Memory management, it manages the memory resources of a computer systems that are various and secondary memory like hard disk and computer disk. All the programs are loaded in the main memory before their executions. It is the functions of operating systems to determine how much memory should be provided to each process. File management, it manages the files and directories of a computer system. A file can be defined as a collection of information or data that is stored in the memory of computer systems. Every file has a unique name associated with it. The organization of files and directories in a computer system is referred as a file systems, and operating system allow us to create, modify, save or delete files in the computer systems. Device management, these functions of operating systems deals with the management of peripheral devices such as a printer, mouse and keyboard. Attached to a computer system, an operating system interacts with the hardware devices through the specific device drivers. The primary task of operating system is to manage the input-output operations performed by the end users. And last one is a security management. It ensures the security for the computer system from various threats such as virus attacks and unauthorized access. An operating system uses various techniques such as authentications, authorizations, cryptography, etc. for ensuring security of computer systems. Software is broadly classified into following two types. First one is a system software and the second one is application software. System software which are required to control the working of hardware and aid in effective executions of general users applications are called system software. This software performs a variety of functions like file editing, storage management, resource accounting, management, database management, etc. Some of the examples of system software are DOS, Disk Operating System, Windows Basics, COBOL, and PC Tools. These software are developed by the system programmers. Types of system software. A system software can be further categorized into following three types: system management software, system development software, and system software releases. The application software which are required for general special purpose applications like database management, Word or database, WorldStar, Tally, etc. Application software are developed using system software by application programs. General purpose of application software, special purpose application software. A network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources, exchange files, or allow electronic communications. These computers on a network may be linked through the cables, telephone lines, radios, waves, satellites, or infrared light beams. Types of network includes the personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Personal area network is a network arranged within an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. Personal area network is used for the conducting the computer's devices of personal use known as a personal area networks. Thomas Zimmerman was the first research scientist to bring the idea of the personal area network. It covers the areas of 30 feet. Personal computer devices that are used to develop the personal area network that are laptop, mobile phones, media player and stations. Types of personal area networks are the wireless personal area network and wired personal area network. Local area network is a network that confined to relatively small area, few hundred meters and no more than a mile. It is generally limited to geographic areas such as writing lab, school, office building or home. It is less costly as it built with an inexpensive hardware such as hubs, networks, adapters and Ethernet cables. Metropolitan area network is a network type that covers the network connections of an entire city or connection of a small area. The area covered by the network is connected using a wired network like the database cables government agencies use to connect to the citizens and private industries. In a man, various LANs are connected to each other through a telephone exchange line. The most widely used protocols in MANs are RS-3232, Frame Relay, ATM, ISDN, OC3, ADSL. It has a higher range local area network, and last one is a wide area network. It is designed to connect the devices over large distance like states or between the countries. The connection is wireless in most cases and uses radio towers for communications. It is a quite large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optic cable or satellite links. The internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. A wide area network is widely used in the field of business, government and education. It can be made up the multiple LAN and MAN networks. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.